Red Hat is all about sharing. We are always helping each other, sharing ideas. By sharing and doing things together is the best way to grow.
What we do is to organize technical workshops for kids around 12 years old, especially in primary schools, so we can teach them about open source, about technology. This initiative helps kids to be more interested in technology, especially girls.
I think it's very important to be visible so that today's girls see more women with a role in technology sector. They feel represented and can project themselves as the engineers of tomorrow.
They just do their lab and then suddenly they start to experiment. They just work like an open source community by themselves. We are empowering them to use technology to understand how it works and to build new things. Because with technology they will be able to change the world, to build a better world for everyone.
What we do matters.
What we do matters.